Today's video, Asus ZenBook ux430 laptop. This is a very simple and slim laptop. This is very beautiful laptop, and here is one USB. This one is micro USB, and this one is USB type C port, and here is a charging port also, and here is also one memory card slot, and this one is USB port. Okay, today I'll repair this laptop, and this laptop problem is no power backup. And here is some symptom to understand the battery problem, and you can see here, and here is a task speed is rise up from the body, and this one is okay, and here is also some keys are body level is same, and this task pad you can follow this very carefully, you can see that, and this one is okay, and after that here is the rise up the task pad. Okay, today I will replace this battery. I will show you very simple way to how to replace this. Okay, let's start. All this screw I will open, and here is a two hidden screw. Okay, first of all we open this here. You can see here is one screw, here is also one screw. You can see the battery. Okay, let's open it. And this one is battery connector. You need to be careful when you open this battery connector. Okay, today I will show this and how to open this very simple and perfect way. And you just pull this lock from here. Okay, after that, okay, this is the very simple way. Okay, done. You should be careful when you open this battery connector. Here is also one screw I did not open, and that is removed. Okay, you can see this our damaged battery, and this one is our brand new battery. I brought this from our local market. Okay, you can see the battery difference. And before I installing the battery, and I will do some basic clean cooling fan and processor. Here is so many dust in the cooling fan. Our cooling pin is clean completely. this is the way. Okay, our battery installation is complete. Laptop also powered up, and hopefully display will become. And this is one our laptop damaged battery. After 8 hours charging, I will use this laptop properly. Okay, let's shut down this and fitting the laptop. You can see here is a keyboard is absolutely fine. Rise up the keypad, touchpad, all keys label also same. Okay, let's fitting this. Okay viewers, our work is complete, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.